everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here I want to make a top-down analysis ahead of the CPI news that we have tomorrow, and we will start the analysis from the monthly time frame, then work it down to weekly and to daily and then intraday time frame. So as we all know that the news is coming up in few hours from now. We are to analyze and see how the previous daily candle closed and what we possibly expect from the market. Okay, here in the monthly time frame, we can still notice that price is still testing the resistance level. We can see how price is currently testing the resistance level. All these places are where price has tested before, and now price is there at present. And also, if we observe this month so far, you can see how price is currently struggling to stay above the previous monthly candle. We can clearly see the previous monthly candle right here. That's the previous monthly candle. So we can see how this present month candle is currently struggling to stay, or currently struggling to trade above the previous monthly candle. This gives a signal or indication that the price could possibly drop all the way from here. That means there could be a possible correction. So dropping down to weekly, what do we see? Okay, now from the weekly perspective, we still have it that after the market broke the previous resistance, which now turned support. Where am I talking about? Here. This was the previous resistance that got broken, and price has already tested it and is now moving away from that zone. But at the moment, we can notice how price is still trading below the previous week high. Here is the previous week high. So all this while, in weekly time frame, there have been some kind of consolidation after the market broke the structure. We can notice how price has just been struggling to make a clear move. So market has been ranging for a while, for quite a long period of time now, and we can also notice how previous week candle tried to break above 2050 cycle level, which is here. This is the 2050 cycle level. So price has been struggling to stay above there. The previous week made an attempt to break above but could not succeed. So price went back to the resistance level. So and we can still see that this week is still trading below or under the previous week high. So let's now go to our daily time frame and see what the market is doing. Here in the daily perspective, things seems quite interesting. In this daily time frame, we can see how price has been making what series of higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and this previous week impulsive move followed by correction. And in general, after impulsive move, if you want to measure the correction, you pick your Fibonacci 2. If you pick your Fibonacci 2, then place it from the lowest point to the highest point. And if we do that, what do we observe? We can see how price respected the area of 61.8 fib level. You can see how price respected this zone in the Fibonacci retracement. You can see how price respected here at the area of 61.8 Fibonacci level. So and previous week we had NFP news, which led to the correction, and the correction stopped at this 61.8 fib level. So now price is trading away from the support level. Here has been the previous week support where price has tested and failed to break, and all of a sudden after the market got broken, it has tested that zone to confirm there as the main support level, as the new support level, and now price is now moving away from that zone. But here we have two things in mind. Despite the fact that price is now trading away from the support level. Price is yet to make a new break of structure or trade above the price of previous month high, which is 2050, for a continuation. So in this case now, we have here as our previous monthly high. Let me bold it. So this is, sorry, not this one. Here is our previous monthly high. Here is our previous monthly high, which is here. Sorry, not there. Here is our previous monthly high. Here is our previous monthly high, and price has tested that zone this month and failed to break. So at the moment now, we can see how price is gradually making a retracement or a correction back to that same zone. So we could expect a rejection, second rejection, and a massive drop. But we can notice that yesterday's candle closed just below the previous month high. Where do I mean? This is where yesterday's candle closed. This is yesterday's candle. Sorry. That is the previous day candle closed here. The previous day candle closed below 2030 psychological level. So here is the previous day candle. So we can see that it closed below 2040 psychological level, and also below our previous monthly high. So now we've had in this previous monthly high, we've had a rejection here. We've had a rejection here, and also another rejection here, giving rise to a kind of a double top formation. So, and as we have news tomorrow, what do I expect from the market? If market eventually trade, now what I expect from the market tomorrow is if price eventually trade below this 2040 cycle level, or below this previous monthly high. If price fail to break above before the news is released, then I would be going short in the market. I would be selling. So since the price is currently trapped below the previous monthly high, I do be looking out for sell opportunities. If we drop down to H4 time frame here, what do we see? Here in the H4 perspective, we can notice how price have been in bullish state. It has been making series of higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, getting to this previous weekly resistance, which is here. We can see that price is currently at this level, and also we can still notice that the price could not break that zone successfully. So at this point now, it is overlapping between the previous week resistance. We can see how price tested that zone as at previous week and gave rise to this impulsive move. Then the NFP news was released, which broke the resistance, and now price is there. So what do we expect from this level now? We expect a rejection to the downward for bearish continuation. So we expect a sale from this level only if the market maintain to trade below 2040 before the news is released. So if price maintain this area of 2040, we are going to sell. So at the moment, since the price is still in intraday bullish, we would observe the market tomorrow for a change from intraday bullish to intraday bearish before we could look forward sell opportunity. Also dropping down to H1 time frame here, now we can see that price is currently approaching a previous resistance level. We can see the bearish engulfing candle, or the candle that engulfed the bullish, the last bullish candle. So here now we can see how price has tested the zone for the first time. So we can expect a deeper retest to that zone before a massive sell on gold tomorrow. So we do be looking out for sell opportunity in gold tomorrow once the news is released by 1:30. So our main bias for tomorrow's news on CPI will be a sell. In other words, the news can still clear up this liquidity build-up. All these buyers have been attempting, or buyers that have kept this market moving all the way from here to this zone, they need to be cleared out tomorrow. So we will be looking out for sell opportunities in the market. Thanks for watching.